You guys, I am so happy to be back in front of this camera. It's been a minute. I got a new mic. Hopefully the quality is good. I mean, the sound quality is good. I know I'm using my camera, but as you can see, I made a little small changes to my channel in the sense of my name and all the other aesthetics that's going on, but it's neither here or there. I hope you guys are happy that your girl's back in front of this camera. Okay, I hope you guys are like excited that I am back in front of this camera, because I know for sure I am. Okay, so we're gonna get straight into the video, and of course, as you can tell, I have this, my hair parted a certain way. We're gonna be putting on a half wig today because, you know, it's affordable. And my hair, I cut my hair, you know, I also got to update you guys about like what I had been up to. So I'm excited, which is why I really wanted to make sure that I get a mic so that I can actually talk to you guys instead of doing voiceovers, because I know you guys are so used to the voiceovers, but I just want to, you know, dive in a little bit. So, you know, build my little, you know, my union, build my little union, you know. So yeah, so let's get straight into the video. So today I'm going to be putting on a half wig from ISEE Hair, and I got my hair from Amazon because my hair wasn't done, and I was like, listen, I just need to do my hair. I want to get in front of this camera. I was just rushing, you know, I'm very impulsive. So I was like, you know, I am not about to wait almost 2 weeks or even a week to get my hair when I could get it the next day. So I went to ISEE Hair on Amazon. I do not know if this is the legit hair. Just cut me some slack, y'all. Okay. So I know I've seen a lot of people with this hair. They had like a different color. Like the band was red. Mine's is not red. It's black. So I'm a little bit disappointed in that. I was looking for like every single detail to be the exact same thing, but I guess that's what happens when you order on Amazon, right? So it came with this elastic band that you can attach to your wig. My wig already had one on it, so I'm not even going to worry about that much. Also came with some eyelashes. I do not like the eyelashes, so that's gonna stay there. This band I definitely might keep for sure. I'm gonna hold on to that band. That's basically it. I know some people came with bonnets, all types of good stuff. My stuff did not. This is the hair straight out of the pack. Kind of have like a little smell to it, but in a sense of like not fishy smell, but it has like a smell it's like shampoo-y, you know, shampoo-y. Okay, so like this is the wig straight out of the pack. Okay, I don't know. Let's just get right into the video. So let me just click that there. Oh, okay. This is what it's giving on. Like absolutely not. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Okay. But we're gonna style this. We're gonna see what we could do with it. Cause this right here, it is not giving. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna just start manipulating it in a way. I'm gonna spray some water and just see what I could do. I'm gonna just walk you guys through exactly what I'm gonna do. I just wanna see, because I kind of don't like the curl pattern that's going on with it. But you know, it's either big or go home when it comes to this hair. Okay. I'm gonna actually make the hair very big because I like big hair when it comes to curly hair. I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styling Gel. And I'm gonna just see what it do. Okay guys, so this is how the hair is looking after I drenched it in a lot of water. Water and this hair does very well together. This is how it looks after I applied gel and a little water, and it's looking really, really good actually. The only part is that I'm scared to blend my hair with this because my hair is relaxed. But it's okay. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna experiment. You know, this is when things get really, really tough. So I'm gonna just start. As you can see, my hair is really like short. So I'm gonna just start by each part because I parted it in four and see what we could do with this. I think I'm gonna just kind of like push it back. I don't think I should try to make it curl with the hair. Actually gonna go in with I got this from Amazon. It's Aqua Hair Wax by Red One. Be very like tight. So let's see if I could just use that, and I'm just gonna literally push my hair back because the trick is, the gist of it all is that we just want to hide that band right here. So we just really want to hide that band. So we're just gonna brush that hair over like this just to make sure, because I think I'm gonna do the flip method on my head. I'm gonna add as much as you need, and then we're gonna brush it up. See, we're just gonna, let's go and play with it. We're just gonna brush it back. I'm just gonna brush that. Make sure that that's really tough in there. This as much as possible. Then it's back. This right here, y'all, is a holy grail. Holy grail. It's so I'm gonna go in. So I'm going in with gel, like eco styling gel, just to kind of like wet it a little bit, like give it that little wet look. And then I'm going in with my Red One wax because you want it to kind of like give it that little, that vibe, you know, to make it seem like your hair is, this is actually your hair. So I brush that in. Then I go in with my Red One. I use a lot of this because it's really like, you don't really need a lot, but because I want my hair to actually just hold, because it's so short, I'm putting a lot. But if you have if you have long hair, you don't really have to use a lot of this product. Like, I'm just trying to make sure that my hair is blending in with the hair. My hair is blending in with this hair so that it could look, you know, seamless. But you don't really need a lot of this product. I'm just using a lot, once again, because my hair is so short. So I have to make sure that I'm brushing this product all the way through to the ends so that it could stick. Like, I need it to stick like this. Like, I need it to stick with the other hair, because I don't like this part showing. If you guys can see, like, this part right here is showing. It makes the hair look fake. So I have to add a bunch of products to make sure that it's like falling over that, and then it gives it like a natural kind of vibe. Okay guys, so this is how it looks with the middle part. Of course, once it dries, it's gonna eat a little bit more, but for right now, I'm gonna let it air dry because I want it to just look naturally, like, I wanted to just naturally see the volume of it before I actually give it more volume. But for right now, like, as you can see, this side is a little bit more wetter that side. So I might go back in with a little water while I do my makeup and just let it sit for a little bit, and then hit it with my humidifier, my diffuser. I say humidifier. Hit it with my diffuser just to give it more, let help it dry faster, and then I'm gonna go in, add some volume to it and cut it and everything like that if I have to. But this is how it's looking, just straight of me pushing my hair back. I kind of want to like do something like this with my hair. I really like it because it's like free, but then also I could kind of just, you know, pin some parts up. You know what I mean? Give myself like of course it would be neater. Like I will do it neater, but because I ain't had puffy hair in a long time, I might just keep this down, do a little 1-2, like, you know, do a little 1-2 like this side part, you know. Um, I actually like the middle part a little bit, but it's just not crispy enough for me. So probably if I just if I just like do this, yeah, probably if I just go like that, and then like I like the middle part. Because what I could do is just like once it gets the volume, like once the hair get the volume, I could just like take a little piece and just like lap it over here a little bit. But I feel like it's good. I'm 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 liking it. Which y'all, how y'all feeling it? You know, before we get into it and everything is seamlessly looking good, let me know now how y'all like the hair. Cause I like the hair a lot, but it's just like I don't know like how I really feel about it. I think I might have to do my makeup and everything, of course, and then I'm gonna feel the vibe of it all. Okay, guys, so this is how the hair came out. I actually love this hair a lot. Like it really gives. Like it's really cute. I like this because you could kind of like flip it to the side as well. Like when you want to feel like hot, you know, you could kind of like play with it like that too. I really am in love with this hair. I'm happy that I actually invested in getting this hair. Like this hair also, like if you just say for instance, if you get your hair done, then your hair is messed up. And then you'd be like, I gotta do my hair. I gotta go somewhere. This is the type of hair that you could just make sure that you know exactly it's gonna, like, you know it's gonna look good. You feel me? And it's 1, 2, 3. You don't even have to braid your hair. I didn't even braid my hair. My hair is too short to kind of be braided. But as long as you have that edge control and water and a little bit of gel, you go a long way, and you can actually pop out and really look amazing still with this hair. So I feel like this hair is actually a really good investment when it comes to the black girlies. My black girlies, like this is it, the kinky curly. It blends super good with your hair. Like as you can see, like this works for me. I like it, and I would recommend this hair. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you guys love the way this hair tutorial came out. And if you guys also like this video, please let's not forget to subscribe to your girl channel, and also give this video a big thumbs up so that you can be notified on my next upload. With that being said, peace out.